guys, it's Cindy. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're at the Dollar Tree and we're gonna be shopping for fall items. If you guys want to get the real good stuff for fall at the DT, definitely gonna go shopping now in August. Let's go inside and see if we can find you guys. They have these really cute Hello Fall signs, and they have this one with the red truck. Oh my goodness, they have the felt pumpkins here. You guys, this is my first time seeing them, and they are so pretty, and they're actually really good quality as well. This white creamy one is my favorite. And of course they have the orange pumpkin. They have the green one, a brown pumpkin one, and this tan champagne color one, and this pretty teal one as well. It's kind of like a dark teal. And I love this garden stake. They had these last year and they just are so perfect for fall. I believe this one's a new one. I didn't see this one last year, but I love it because it's football season, family and friends. And they also have these cute little chalkboard pumpkins where you can write what you're thankful for. And that pumpkin sign is calling my name. I love everything about it. Thankful and blessed. They have this sign here that says pumpkin spice and everything nice. I just love pumpkin everything. And this sign is also really pretty, and this one says friends gather here. And they have these felt signs. This one says thankful and blessed. And then they have this one that says welcome fall. That one's really pretty. They also have this felt acorn, and I see a lot of people use these as placemats, and they also have a pumpkin right behind it. And they also have some leaves back here too that you can use as placemats as well. And they have a ton of these gel stickers that you guys could put on your windows. They have this turkey one, this scarecrow one, this one that says harvest and blessings, and this one's my favorite, the one with the little red truck and the red barn. Last year, these metals words were a big deal, and they brought them back again for this year. They also have these really pretty adhesive diamond wrap you guys can use for some DIY projects. OMG, you guys, look at this cute little owl and this little green little hat. And they have this one in orange too. And they have some different color burlap ribbon here. They have a tan one, a brown one, a red one, and an orange one. All the fall colors. You guys, these pumpkins are new this year, and I love both of them. They are both so pretty. This one here says pumpkin kisses and harvest wishes, and then this one says gather with grateful hearts. And you guys, if you guys don't like the way they look, you can definitely DIY these into a different project. And both of these signs are also new this year, and I love both of them. This one's my favorite. I think you guys can definitely paint over this thankful sign if you don't like it. And then this one too, you guys can do a DIY project if you don't like it either, but they're both really nice and they're just $1. The Dollar Tree also has these little leaf garlands that you guys can spruce up your fall decor with, and they come in different colors. They even have this sparkly one over here. I don't know if you guys can see the sparkle on this one. They have a red one over here, one with a little bit more of a tint of a green. They're all so pretty. And they have a ton of flowers for fall. These daisies are some of my favorite ones that they have here. I also really like these ones. These ones are really nice. And these purple ones are also really pretty. And of course, the sunflowers are also my favorite. And you guys, I found some more signs on the other side of the store, and this one says Farm Fresh and it says organic pumpkins. Super cute. They also had this blue truck with little pumpkins in the back, and they also have a red one in this too, and this one says Happy Harvest. Another sign that I saw that I know you guys were probably like is this one that says Hello Fall. It's so pretty, and it has that famous red truck that I know a lot of you guys love. They're also starting to put out a lot of their Halloween stuff out, but I'm going to do that in a separate video for you guys. But here's a little sneak peek. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, definitely give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe. It's totally free, and so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!